Greetings to all, and thanks for returning to Everything Tesla Stock. We will discuss what the CEO of Tesla has revealed regarding the anticipated date of the company's shares rising to $2,550 today. Make sure to stay until the very end. You won't want to miss this. The fact that Tesla is still expanding is wonderful, but this growth raises a number of questions, one of which is what the price of Tesla stock will be in the near future. Many analysts have attempted to forecast this, but how can we determine who is trustworthy and true? What happens if Tesla CEO Elon Musk concurs with one analysis? That would be a major indicator of that prediction's veracity, wouldn't it? These questions will be addressed as you watch the rest of the movie, so be sure to pay attention. In addition, if you enjoy this kind of information, please subscribe, like, and switch on notifications to be informed about all that Tesla is up to. Although it appears unfeasible, Tesla's stock price can rise in the next 3 years as long as it continues to produce and deliver a sizable number of vehicles. If things continue as they have over the years, as they have earlier this year, reaching the $2,500 target will be possible. The same way that it made history by significantly exceeding delivery projections by 16% and growing at an unprecedented rate during global production challenges, it may very well produce even better outcomes in the years to come. No one will notice that it is going to $2,500, as usual. The Tesla bot, which was unveiled a few months ago, is one of the company's items that is probably going to boost the stock price. By September of this year, the general-purpose robot humanoid prototype, also called Optimus, should be completed. It will likely surpass even Tesla's electric vehicle business, driven by artificial intelligence from the company. Why? That's because it will be capable of doing all of the owner's needs, including cooking, cleaning, and gardening. Everyone will now be able to have a housekeeper or maid, and it won't interfere with people's personal life. The typical salary earner will be able to hire one. Additionally, it has been suggested that it may be able to replace a portion of the staff. If this is the case, it won't be shocking if Tesla stock rises to $2,500 over the course of the next 5 years. Elon Musk is pleased to present the Tesla Semi, a vehicle that has been under development for almost 6 years. It may be self-driving, which would eliminate the need for businesses to pay for drivers, thus upending the transportation and trucking sectors. Additionally, it comes in 2 price range variations. The 300-mile version costs roughly $150,000, while the 500-mile version comes with a price tag of roughly $180,000. With the Semi scheduled for sale in the upcoming year and roughly 250,000 reservations, the stock is expected to rise, maybe reaching $2,500. The CEO of Tesla announced earlier this year that the eagerly anticipated Cybertruck will indeed be produced in 2019. The Cybertruck, which is expected to be more powerful than a sports car and better than a utility truck, will start at $39,900. It could end up being the most popular pickup vehicle ever. It's going to be produced the following year, and with all the enthusiasm it's generating, it will undoubtedly turn heads when it hits the road. For the past 5 years or more, Tesla's production deliveries, that is, its capacity to make cars, have significantly increased by 1,100% with steady annual increases. Based on Tesla's previous successes and executions, a notable increase in deliveries is anticipated in the upcoming years. Its average annual deliveries are expected to expand at a rate of 50%, given that they climbed by 65% between 2016 and 2020. From 2016 to 2020, the manufacturer of electric vehicles experienced a 423,305% rise in annual deliveries. Stocks may rise if production is significantly increased and delivery data appears to be improving. Araki projects that around 10 million cars will be produced by 2025. The price of Tesla shares increased dramatically by 695% in 2020, the year Elon became the richest person in the world, and then by 50% last year on significant U.S. indices such as the Nasdaq and the S&P 500 index. The valuation of Tesla's shares is based on the company's $281 billion in revenue and $28.2 billion in net income over the course of a year. The company is expanding quickly and is facing increasing competition from other EV manufacturers as time goes on. Based on the prediction of Tesla shares, it appears that there will be a significant increase in the usage of electric vehicles in the future. Major automakers will be producing more electric vehicles than ever before, and they'll also be offering more innovations. For Tesla, this marks the start of their endeavors. A few months ago, Brown made a prediction to CNBC that Tesla will produce about 5 million cars annually. Regarding this, he exudes confidence and optimism. Gene Munster, managing partner at Loop Funds and one of the biggest shareholders in Tesla, concurs with ARK Invest's forecast, predicting further price growth for Tesla shares. His estimate of the rise, which was little different than ARK's, was in 7 years. Additionally, he stated that when the EV powerhouse expands, the shares would eventually be worth $25,000. Elon Musk concurred with ARK's prediction that Tesla would rise enormously in less than 5 years from 2020. Gene Munster bases his confidence on one thing. Tesla is involved in a number of different endeavors outside producing electric cars, which will be quite useful in the future. Thus, its stock will undoubtedly increase. Some of its endeavors, such as the production of robots and electric autonomy for vertical takeoff and landing, are futuristic objectives that will undoubtedly help stocks. Munster also projected that Tesla's stock will increase 6 times from its current level in 5 years. According to his projection, Tesla's revenue is expected to rise from $70 billion in 2022 to $400 billion in 2027, a likely increase of roughly $330 billion. As a result, the price of Tesla shares will rise to $2,550. The Tesla Corporation is expected to grow rapidly in the foreseeable future, according to Wallet Investors' algorithmic estimate. Tesla's stock may rise to $2,948 in 5 years, with a $170 price target the next year. This confirms the estimates of the 5-year prognosis forecasts from Loop and ARK. As of June 21, 2022, Wallet Investor projected that Tesla might close the year at $911.54, with further projections extending until the end of 2023. The stock price of the company was predicted by the algorithm-based service to be $1,282.73 at the end of 2024 and $1,653.35 at the end of 2025. It is anticipated that the stock price will reach $2,039.12. Its 5-year projection states that the stock should reach $1,340 by June 2027. Many investors disagree with Musk's prediction that the price of Tesla's stock will reach $2,500 in 5 years and think the company's $790 stock price is overblown. As usual, Tesla's deliveries over the last 4 quarters have surpassed consensus projections by an average of 14%. It is projected that Tesla will continue on this path and surpass the consensus forecasts of 1.2 million vehicle deliveries by the end of the year. 308,600 vehicles were transported in the latest quarter, far more than the 267,000 predicted by the census. This represents a staggering 72% increase over the previous year. Undoubtedly, the company's manufacturing capacity is growing significantly, and the demand for its cars is very strong, making a large increase in the next 4 years possible. Is Tesla able to effectively pursue its objective? Musk thinks it's very possible, provided that the execution is excellent. Will something disprove him? Given the current trajectory, stocks are expected to continue growing and reach their peak in the next years. Although the projected expansion of Tesla appears challenging, it is undoubtedly possible. Risks such as a slowdown in demand, heightened competition, slower growth, and supply chain problems might prevent Tesla from achieving its target by 2025. However, what are your thoughts? Can Tesla make it happen? In the upcoming years, will the business be able to tolerate risks? Tell us in the comments below. Select one of these two videos to watch on your screen while you're still here. I'll see you over there.